Damn, I feel like motherfucking. Yo, don't mind the hoodie, bro. It's cold outside, man. But look, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ty.140 coming back at y'all with another reaction video, another hot one, another banger. You feel me? I just want to say thank you to whoever's new on the channel. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for being a part of the family, man. Welcome to the cookout. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, stay a while, show some love. We got bangers coming out every week, every day, every time that I could. You see the thumbnail, you see the title, Opie and Anthony, Baby Bird, Paul Talk version with radio. Listen, this was requested by one of my brothers, so we're gonna get right into it. This is a classic, I'm assuming. Alright, but enough of me rambling, enough of me talking. Let's just get right into it, man. Let's get it.
He's got that look on his face like those guys in the 80s who were about to fight Tyson.
Yeah, yeah.
Just that, oh.
Inevitable loss.
Joe Rogan playing Carolines all weekend long. With the Amazing Racist opening up.
Pat, how are you? It's getting real close.
All right, it's getting real close. Suspense. All the cameras out. We've never had more people in the studio, by the way. There's got to be about 30 people in here.
And what he's doing
At
is
least.
very DiMaggio-esque. This is like the 56-game hitting streak.
Yeah,
73 shots. This will never be broken.
Hey, someone is saying, please send her the Pal Talk camera. We got it.
I got mine done.
All right, make
No, mine's fine.
Uh-oh.
It's Pal Talk 2.
All right.
That somebody's in the way of or something like that.
Yo,
I
this
guess
video
it's the
came
camera
out in
guy.
What shot is that?
2006.
The left.
You
74.
feel me? So I was like 6 years old when this came
He's
out.
going for 75.
Everyone's got to pretty much keep their position so
Keep going.
the cameras and everybody can see. Yeah, that's fine.
People are calling from all over America. They've been puking all over the place.
75.
Just about every city in America.
And alright,
And in
so
Canada.
quick story. From what I was told, the big guy right here has diabetes, like severe diabetes, right? They're drinking eggnog. I believe it's eggnog, and I'm assuming they're doing like a challenge. Who can drink the most eggnog? I'm assuming that's what it is. Yo, ignore the hoodie. It's kind of chilly, bro, in Jersey right now, bro. It's November, late November in Jersey. It's chilly, but they're drinking eggnog. You feel me? And I don't even know why this guy's laying down. It's crazy right now. I don't know what. This shit is crazy, bro. I just wanted to get out like a little backstory about it. And he has diabetes, a lot of eggnog. You know that he can't have that in his system. So this is a recipe for disaster. Let's get into it.
Sam.
He's just drinking now. He's up to 76.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Here it goes.
The baby bird is going down!
It's happening.
The
It's
baby bird
happening.
is happening! Oh my God!
Oh, he ain't done. He ain't done.
No way did that just happen! Oh my God!
Never ending.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nah, bro. That's it. That's it.
I almost wet myself. I swear to you. I'm laughing so hard. I have never...
We lost Jimmy. He's laughing so hard he ran into the corner. Yeah!
A thunderous round of applause.
Yo, Ephraim, what the fuck did you just have me watch, bro? Yo.
Pat! Down goes Pat!
He's wearing puke blackface.
That was the greatest
What the
moment in radio
fuck?
history, period.
Yeah.
It's impossible to top that.
Yeah,
That's impossible. Trust me on that.
How can you top that?
Trust me on
How
that.
can that be topped?
We are announcing our retirement right now because that is it.
How can that be topped?
That's the video. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think. That shit was disgusting, bro. My thoughts, that is crazy. It's crazy what we as men do when we're all together, bro. Like the challenges that we create, the bets that we create, extreme. We're extremists when it comes to betting and challenges, bro. Dead ass, like fucking crazy. That was crazy. You feel me? Yo, but it's a part 2 to this. Y'all let me know down below if y'all want to see this, the part 2. I'm probably gonna do the part 2, man. This was crazy. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment down debajo. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about my hoodie, my face, my neck, my do-rag that I always wear, man. I don't know, the chair, the green screen. Y'all let me know, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Ty.140 signing out. Keep God first. Love yourself. Love your family. Love everybody that love you. You feel me? And spread, I don't know, positive energy and positive vibes throughout the world. I'm rambling, bro. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.